pur e kor gwenge en gima ber nyakona magajwang ka giye kinde ni koth chwe wakomuru nikech chiemo en gino makonyo oganda. Ka wadhi nyime oyudo ni Obila ogengo romo mar oganda maonge tije midendo ni jobless rally mane ochane lampa ma Uhuru Park bure Nairobi. Obila ne otamo kweth rawere mane dwa donjo e labno ka mane osechopo ne ogol oko e labno.
They have denied us entry into Uhuru Park. They have ensured that police are there so that we don't access the park. The many thousands of persons who came cannot access it because they have just decided that we can't hold our discussions there.
We wrote to the county government of Nairobi, addressed to Governor Sakaja, told him to give us access because we were bringing in young people who are unemployed. The county told us to pay. How do you tell people who are unemployed to pay? We wrote to the police. They started telling us they cannot give us permission. You see, Article 37 is very clear. Even the Public Order Act, we are just supposed to notify the police. We don't need to seek for permission.
The Kenyan government has conspired against the youth of Kenya. You can see clearly that when they post job applications, they say that you must have 10 years of experience and above. Where are we getting 10 years of experience?